Korean lot.
Yeah, it was not so good. But if you're hungry, all food is good. But anyway, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is, anong araw? February 2, Thursday, 11:38. Kita ba? 11:38 ng umaga. 2 days na lang at uuwi na kami ng Denmark, guys. Matatapos na ang aming bakasyon and my heart is broken. Ayaw ko pag umuwi. Ang bilis lang talaga ng panahon. It's like, the month went so fast. Pero yun talaga, ganon talaga ang buhay. So, February 4, uwi na kami, February 5, and then na kami sa Denmark, and then back to the real world na, real life, work na naman tayo, and there's so much things that's gonna happen this year. Kaya magiging sobrang busy talaga kami, but kaya yan. Excited din naman ako sa mga mangyayari. So anyway, today is also gonna be a very, very busy day, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring you guys kasi nga sobrang dami naming gagawin today. We're waiting for my sister, and then after that is, I think we're gonna, because it's 11, it's almost 12 na, so we have to find food, and then we need to go to the, anong tawag nito? May binili kasi kaming lupa, guys, data ba? So we have to go there and pay, and after that we have to go to the bank, and then after that we have to go to, I'm not sure if it's Tabuan or Carbon, but we need to go there and we have to buy dried fish, which I would love to bring sa Denmark kasi alam naman natin na pag nasa abroad talaga, yun yung mga parang mamimiss natin ng mga pagkain. Meron din naman doon sa Denmark, pero mahal talaga yung bintahan doon. Kaya I'm already here, so I'm gonna take the opportunity. I'm gonna buy a lot, so I got a supply for myself, and it's also because I don't know when am I gonna be back here again, so it could be next year, so we don't know. And it's still, you know, the start of the year, so I got like a whole year to think about the supply of dried fish I would like to have. And then, ano pa ba? Yeah, yung mga ganon. And then, si Martin gusto din niyang bumili ng sizzling plate, hot plate, ganyan, kasi na-enjoy niya yung mga sisig-sisig dito. So, if ano daw niya, kukupyahin niya doon sa Denmark. So, yun. Ano pa? Basta ang daming ganap, guys. Uy, na-stress talaga ako sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Ewan ko ba. Pero those are the things that needs to be done. So, dapat dito yung mag-complain. So, right now, nag-ano na muna ako YouTube. Kape-kape. Tingnan nyo, I like the cup. Tapos magpaganito din. So, ganyan. Nandito pala kami sa, I don't know if I've mentioned before, but we are in Soho Centennial Hotel. This is on top of Soho Mall. And very convenient dito, guys, because earlier today, I actually went downstairs. Nag-grocery ako konti. Yung mga, some of the things I would love to bring also in Denmark. Nagpunta din akong pharmacy, so may mga binili din ako doon. So, it's so convenient. Hindi na kailangan mag-taxi, hindi na kailangan mag-jeep, bababa lang kami at nandun na yung mga pangangailangan namin. But one thing is, wala silang restaurant talaga dito. They only got, anong tawag nito? Yung mga kebab wrap na very, very small yung ano niya. Basta yung serving niya ba, hindi nakakabusog. But then my coffee shop, there is Boss Coffee, which I really, really, really love. Yeah, maybe later today, pag medyo maaga kami mauwi, kasi ang dami namin gagawin. So, maybe I'll go there. Dami kong sinasabi. Wala lang. In short, i-inform ko lang kayo na malapit na kami umuwi ng Denmark. And, ang bilis ng panahon. Grabe, ang bilis-bilis. Parang kailan lang na dumating kami dito. But then again, I still think I'm so lucky to be able to come here again because last September, we've been here already. 3 weeks yun. And then, September. And then January, September, October, November, December. In 4 months lang, bumalik kami dito, which is very nice. Kasi not a lot of Filipinos able to do that kasi nga sobrang busy din nila sa buhay nila. But then me, yeah, may ano kasi, may parang, ang tawag noon, may parang holiday pa pala akong natira. So, I was thinking na instead of nandun lang sa bahay at walang gagawin, so much better na uwi na muna dito. Doon lang naman talaga magagastos sa flight ticket. Pagdating dito, I mean, you can adjust the way you're gonna be spending your holiday. Pwede namang pang local style talaga. So, mag-budget tayo ganyan. But anyway, yun, na-enjoy ko yung aking vacation. I'm so happy. Yeah, ganun. But then, ganun talaga ang buhay. Uwi na naman tayo dun sa maginaw na lugar. Pero, I'm not complaining. I feel like I'm so lucky to be able to experience both the Philippines life and the Denmark life, and I'm enjoying both of the country. I'm enjoying both of the country, you know, the difference. Makita mo yung mga parang good things na ginagawa ng mga Danish people and not so good things, tapos na-adapt mo din siya. Yung mga good things is na, ewan ko ba, paano, ang dami kong sinasabi, gutom lang ako. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Ay, pakita ko pala sa inyo yung aming view. Kita yung the whole city. Wait lang. Open natin siya. Officially, open ang aming bintana for now. So, yan. Guys, and let me tell you the eye. For almost 1 month na nandito kami, sobrang umulan lagi, ulan. Maybe we only had 2 days na may sun talaga. But then look at this. Now we're back in the city. Maaraw ang buhay. Kita ba ako? Hindi. But then again, that's our view. That's the Fuente Circle. There. Basta. So nice. And in the evening, hindi nyo ako kita na. And in the evening guys, pag evening time na, sobrang ganda din kasi yung, anong tawag nila, yung, basta sobrang ganda din kasi yung lights is, yung evening lights, yung city lights, sobrang nakaka-amaze din. Upo na muna tayo kasi I'm lazy. So yun, napakita ko na sa iyo. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.